Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the Nigerian puff puff, and you're going to love this recipe, so continue watching. So the first thing you'll be doing is that you'll be dissolving your yeast in milk. So I'm using liquid milk, so you dissolve the yeast in the liquid milk. um no worries if it didn't dissolve completely. So after that, you'll be whisking your egg, then you add your egg to the yeast mixture and also mix everything together. So after that, you'll be sifting your flour, then add baking powder, sugar, salt and mix, and you'll be adding the egg mixture into the flour and mix everything together. Then add water to give you the puff puff dough consistency. So this is how the consistency will look like. So after that, you'll be covering with a towel and leave for about 1 hour to double in size. So this is it after 1 hour. So the next is that you'll be adding grated nutmeg and mix everything together, and as well deflate the dough. Then heat up your oil and add your puff puff dough. So it's done when both sides are brown. So there are different methods of making puff puff. You can dissolve your yeast in ordinary water. All right. So as you guys can see, if the base gets brown, it will flip itself to get over to the other side. Hope you guys are seeing it. It's flipping over to the other side to also brown. So guys, you're going to love this recipe. It was so delicious. I'll be posting the recipe measurement on my blog, so you guys go check them out. All right. So like I rightly said, you're going to love this recipe. This is similar to the Nigerian buns, but this was made with yeast. All right, yeast and baking powder. All right. Some also use only yeast, but I used both of them. All right, guys. It's almost done and ready. Enjoy with tea or any soft drink of choice. Please don't forget to try this out. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Yummy. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love ya.